Hi everybody, Rose from Bridgewater Public Library, and thanks for joining me. Today we might get a little messy, so got the apron on. This is something that I've never tried before, and probably should try it outside, but we're going to try it inside. And it's called a ninja swipe. So we're going to make a puddle, and then I have this rubber spatula that I used to use for cake, but focus has changed to paint, and we're gonna swipe it. So you could get the room really messy. Anyway, I'll try not to get too messy. Anyway, so thanks for joining me, and hope you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope you're all getting snowed in for our reading challenge. The snowballs are, I think we're almost hit 2,000 snowballs, so that's exciting, and we have some fantastic prizes, I think I've mentioned. And I'm going to give you a code word at some point, but not yet. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to flood my paint. These are the colors I'm going with, which is turquoise, orange, gold, and the paint is a little thinner, so I've thinned it out with water. So you're gonna put your base of white. So I know this part might be a little mundane, and so the plan is to, because I want the colors to stand out. I don't want them to totally mix together because I don't want mud. So, oh look, I'm using the wrong spatula. Oh, I'm using the wrong spatula. This is my swipe. Okay, we'll just have to wipe it off. So, let's get it. Yeah. So yeah, see. But here's the thing, no, and I think I've said this before, there's no right or wrong here. It's just, no right or wrong. So I'm just gonna kind of spread this out a bit, see if this will move around a bit, just to get everything covered evenly. I'm not worried about the sides yet. I'll do the sides later. This will be a bit abstract. It's coming down the sides, which is fine. Which is good. Abstract is good. So I know there's a lot going on in the news right now, and for me, this is a good little escape. So you need to be informed, but can't consume you. All right, so I'm gonna wipe my spatula off here because I used the wrong one. Oops. All right, and there shouldn't be air bubbles because I did mix this a couple days ago. There's one, but you don't want air bubbles. All right, so we're gonna do a puddle. I'm gonna go over here and swipe it this way, and I might need the white to a way to keep the paints from standing out as you in between colors. I'm going to use either white or gold. I think I'll start with just a little white. And you don't need much. And these are a little bright because it's gloomy out. It's winter, Winter is gloomy. So this, I have two golds. This is the Arteza gold that I talked about last time. That's, I said, does magical things. And then I have another kind of gold. So, and then I've got some pink from this is leftover paint. And I'll put, I'm probably putting too much paint. This one's a little darker. I have left over. Sorry, I'm not talking. Oops. Yeah, maybe my furry friend will talk. Does the furry friend have anything to say? Furry friend's doing pretty good. He was sick, but we're making progress. This one is a different gold. Actually, you can probably tell. All right, it's kind of big. Where do I want to end? I'll end where I started. Drip is okay because it's gonna go places. Yep. Let's do just that. Okay, so there is, I can see some air bubbles. So we're gonna do that. Now, the cameraman's backing up. All right, so you swipe it and kind of just gotta go for it, I guess. Ooh. So I'm like, do I want to go? Okay, that was pretty wimpy. All right. Oops. That one off. That one on the table. Oops. And I think I'll do one more. All right, and you can see cells coming already. So hold on. So we're gonna stretch it. There is some bare canvas, but once we stretch it a bit, it'll. So, so I'm gonna go this way because I can see some bare canvas. Actually, you know what? This will help. Just gonna, because I don't want to. Okay. I want to keep some white. I want it to stay kind of abstractish. Sorry, can't see what I'm doing here. But. So that was fun. Kind of don't want to lose parts here. I'm gonna turn it so I can get it better feel from this end. Yeah. Yep. All right. Just gonna get some of this white here because. All right, that's kind of cool. Different. I'll clean the edges after. So it's different. It's cool. I don't know. It kind of reminds me of butterflies in a way, I think. Okay, almost forgot. So I got in the zone. Today's code word for getting snowed is ice skate. So that's the word you need to say that you watched the video, which I almost forgot to do. And we've got, not too bad. I think we missed the canvas just a little bit, but that was fun. Definitely want to do it again outside and maybe even a bigger canvas. But So that's it for today. Hope you guys are doing well and be safe. Have a great day. Peace.